going on? So today I am making plantains. Right now I'm about to hook up some plantains with some pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and a dash of some cracked black peppercorn. Right? Should be some dope, awesome little treat. I also got a batch of plantains that are marinated in the fridge right now. That have some chopped chives, some dried chopped chives, and then some fresh chives. Some Italian seasoning, a little bit of chili powder, some more of that cracked black pepper grinder corn, and my dad's special spice, Imani Halal Amazing Sabuhadi Spice Mix. There you go. Spice Johnny, excuse me. Alrighty, let's get to cooking. Alright, now first, we're gonna put the butter in our little flat skillet here. Let it get all extra buttery and stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, next we're gonna layer the plantains inside the pan with the butter while it's still buttering, you know what I'm saying? Look at them babies work! Oh, we like it, we like it, we like it, we like it, we like it. All right. So it's kind of obvious that I boiled these probably for too long, but they're still gonna be juicy and great. And yeah, now we're just gonna season them and flip them over a little bit more. Let them cook in plantain. I just use plantain as a verb because you can do that when you're cooking. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna cover these babies for maximum juiciness. Oh yeah, look at it cook. Look at it cook inside there. Oh, buddy, it's getting real nice and brown. Ooh. Look at that. It smells so good, yo. Oh snap. Oh damn, we had a great plate here. Okay, I should have took a picture of it. You guys should have seen it in picture form. What we're gonna do with that is, just play back that video to slow-mo. Okay, here we go, here we go. Moment of truth, moment of truth. And taste. Okay, this makes me want to try them fried like this and also baked, because the crunchiness that's here, my lord, and it's savory. Like, it's savory, and then you mix this joint with the, oh, this is just look at this, just dripping in caramel. And we got ourselves a good one right here. Look at this. There we go. My mom's calling me too. I'm about to let her know how dope this is. So, okay. So I basically set it up where I made plantains with cinnamon and pumpkin spice with a little dash of cracked black pepper because we're dashing. That's what I said in the video when I was making this. And then I have the other one in the fridge right now. I have another batch like that, and then in the fridge I have Baba spice, the cracked pepper, a little bit of chili powder, some fresh chives, and some dried chives. Those are probably gonna bake those. I put these with the caramel. I was like, I want like a little treat because they're sweet, right? Little vegan dessert. And the
caramel's a little tricky to make.
Oh yes. And Kayla's caramel is awesome. Cause you know how much I love caramel. Oh my lord. It's like a banana waffle.
Oh, cool. I'm glad you were inspired to make something, huh?
Banana waffles. Yes, this was. I was thinking of you. I'm like, yo, I gotta make my others. Mom will lose her mind.
I've never had plantains before.
For real?
I'm a gringo, honey.
I have failed you as a son. I have failed you as a black son. Like this
Yeah, that's alright.
You said yeah, that's alright.
It's alright. It's something you can try to rectify when you see